Etsy Dropshipping, how to start Etsy Dropshipping complete guide. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will be giving you a tutorial on Etsy Dropshipping, how to get started on Etsy.com and start selling your products, how you can start a dropshipping business from scratch to actually grow your business online. So let's get into it. First of all, what you guys need to do is you're going to go to Etsy.com and you will land right here. Etsy is an amazing platform to sell any kind of product. We can sell products and jewelry accessories. We have clothing and shoes, home and living, wedding and party, toys and entertainment, art and collectibles. We have craft supplies and tools, and vintage product as well. When it comes to Etsy, Etsy allows us to connect the store to any kind of wholesaler platform or platforms such as AliExpress or Alibaba, so that we can get our drop shipping products. So you will be able to find these products from all of these different platforms and then drop ship on Etsy. First of all, you require an account, so you can actually log in with your Google account or you can use your email address. Once you sign into your Etsy, then you can scroll down and click on sell on Etsy. It will allow you to create your own store. It will take you to create your own store on Etsy. So we have these steps that we have to complete. Shop preferences, then we will have name your shop, stock your shop, how you'll get paid, set up billing, and your shop, security. So the first thing is shop language. So we're gonna go with English here. Then we're gonna select the shop country, which is going to be United States. And then we have the shop currency, which is going to be USD. After that, we're gonna click on save and continue. Then you have to name your shop. This is where you will add any name that you want to for your dropshipping shop on Etsy. So I have added this name for my store. Save and continue. Then we have to stock our shop. That means we will add a listing. So this is going to be the first listing that you will be adding on Etsy. Now here you will add your product, the product that you found from your dropshipping supplier, any product that you want to sell. So you have to upload the photos here. You can also get the photos from your dropshipping suppliers. For instance, if I'm using AliExpress, then what I can do is I can get these images from AliExpress here. We can add more than one images. And if it's a digital product, then we can go for the mock images right here. Moving on, we have a video. So we can add up to 5 to 15 second of video right here. Again, you can go to AliExpress and even find the videos here. After that, we have listing details. So in listing detail, we have the title. What you need to do is if you're going to do drop shipping on Etsy, then again, the title and the description will also be from your drop shipping supplier. For instance, the title for my product is a hoodie that I will be selling. And then we can add about the listing, who made it. So I'll just go with I did, or you can see a member from my shop, another company or person. So if you're doing drop shipping on Etsy, then you need to keep in mind if your product is being made by another company or a person. So you will select this option. Then we have what is it? So it's going to be a finished product. And then we have when did you make it? So we're going to go with recently. Here we can add different categories for a product. Then we have renewal options, we have type, description, product partners. So this is where you can add your production partner. A production partner is anyone who's not part of your Etsy shop who helps you physically produce your item. So this is an important option when it comes to dropshipping. Then we have tags and materials, which is again good for the SEO. Then we have prices. So the price, of course, when it comes to dropshipping, we kind of like make our own profit in it. So if you're getting a product from here, for instance, you were getting the product for $1 here, then you can maybe list it for $3 on Etsy and get your profit. Then we have variations, personalizations, delivery. So this is actually in how to upload a product on Etsy. So this is how you will just enter all of your details. Click on save and continue and your product will be saved right here. This way you can move on to the next step in completing your store. The next step is actually how you'll get paid. This is where we enter our individual or business, and then we have to enter some information here. Click on save and continue, and your information will be saved. Then we have setup billing and your shop security. So once you complete all of these steps, then you will get your own store on Etsy, and you will be able to sell your products. When it comes to listing and creating a listing on Etsy, we can also import listing from other platforms such as AliExpress. On here, on AliExpress or even Amazon, what we can do is we can find the right product. Finding the right product is an important part of dropshipping. After that, what you need to do is create an account on your platform from where you will be getting the products. For instance, your Alibaba, AliExpress, or Amazon. You create an account and then you can connect your Etsy store to your AliExpress. Once you connect your store, then you will get the products from here. We have different, integrations available as well that allow us to connect our AliExpress to our Etsy. So this is how we do the drop shipping business. Then all you need to do is just select the product from here. You click on add listing and add that listing to Etsy.com, and it's shown on Etsy as your under your store, and this way you can sell your products. When it comes to selling your product, you can see if I am dealing in accessories. For instance, we have necklaces here. So I'll go to AliExpress and I'll find the cheap necklaces for $1 and even 50 cents, 40 cents, and then sell them on Etsy for higher prices. Etsy has that audience that buys the products. You can go to your shop manager here and it'll give you all of your options. Within your account, we have account settings. Within your account, what we can do is we can scroll down a little bit and you will find connected accounts. This is where we can connect our Etsy with our Facebook, with our Google, any business that you have on Google, you have a website, and then we have connect with Twitter. So you can see the connected account option is available here and you'll be able to do the dropshipping. Even you can connect your Facebook store to your Etsy. Then we also have, of course, security and public figures here, addresses, credit cards, and more. So doing dropshipping on Etsy is really easy. All you need to do is just create an account on Etsy.com and then you will get started with your shop. When it comes to connecting AliExpress to your Etsy, you will be able to find products in different categories such as women's fashion. In women's fashion, we have a lot of variety of product. If you're concerned about the quality, well, the quality is also really good and we can find cheap products, high quality products right here. If you do not want to go for Chinese based products from AliExpress, then you can go for Spocket. Spocket or Spocket is kind of like a dropshipping platform that allows you to connect to Etsy and you will be able to then find US and EU based products that have less shipping time. Of course, because on AliExpress, it may take like a month and 15 days to get your product and the customers are not satisfied. But what we can do is we can go with Spocket and then it will deliver the products in 2 to 3 days, US and EU based products. So these are the two platforms that you can go for when it comes to Etsy dropshipping. Other than that, I showed you how to get started on Etsy. So once you have your store, you have your store on Etsy right here, then it totally depends on you. You will just create your listing for any kind of category and all of the categories do pretty well on Etsy. We have trending products and a huge audience looking to buy the products. This is how you can get started with dropshipping on Etsy. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to YouTube channel.